To talk to anyone, anytime, anywhere. I read this book. It's a very interesting book. It's about a lady that came here from, I believe, Denmark. I read a book in between this, so I'm not 100% that was the country, but she came here from another country, and she talks about, basically self-confidence, how to initiate conversations, basically how to talk to people. Now, a lot of it is, a lot of the concepts in this book I got out of the book, Dale Carnegie's book, How to Make Friends and Influence People. There's a lot of active listening, asking good questions, and just paying attention and being in the moment, not trying to think about something to say and respond. It's really about just asking questions and actively listening to people. Obviously, there's a lot more in this book. It's, how many pages? About 150 pages. So not the biggest read, not the smallest read. Took me about, I think, like 2 weeks to read this. So I would read it maybe for 20 minutes in the morning every day. But very easy read. The chapters go pretty quick. And all around, that's how the pages look. So very, very good book. I definitely recommend it. Something I'm going to leave around for my kids. So hopefully they read it.